The mission of the North Broad Physical Therapy Center is to serve the underinsured, uninsured community of North Philadelphia. So with that, our goal is to be able to give physical therapy services to those who aren't able to receive them.
The role as a student during the treatment session, we start off with a planning session before the patient comes in. And then the patient comes in and we do an interview and some history taking. And then we do our tests and examinations to figure out what's going on with them. And then from there we figure out the best plan of care that's appropriate for our patient.
There are so many things that we don't learn from a textbook. And being able to have a practical application of the skills that you're learning and being able to use it in hands-on experience allows you to develop those critical thinking skills that you can use as you develop your career.
What really excited me about the Temple Pro Bono Clinic is that it's completely student-run. The students do everything from scheduling to charting, and so I wanted to take a leadership role to be able to get more involved in the behind-the-scenes part of running a clinic, figuring out how to communicate with patients and getting that more administrative practice that you may not be able to get in the classroom.
Telehealth has influenced our students' education, I really think in a very positive way, because it's forced them to be more creative in their plan of care and their interventions and their decision making.
Telehealth has been a wonderful and challenging experience. It has definitely made me a better listener. It has allowed me to become more creative with different types of exercises because you have to work with whatever the clients have in their home.
As physical therapists and as healthcare professionals, it's one of our goals to be able to give back to the community, and acts of service is the best way to do that, especially the community that you live in and the community that is serving you. I like to think of it as the area of North Philadelphia has Temple, and Temple is giving me this education to chase my dreams, to be a physical therapist. And so it only makes sense that I can do things to give back to that community.